Hi, my name is Karima Saad, and I am a lawyer practicing in the cannabis space.
My name's Matt Maurer. I'm the Vice Chair of the Cannabis Law Group at Torque & Mains LLP in Toronto.
Hi, I'm Paul Lewin. I'm a cannabis lawyer in Toronto.
Hi, I'm Sarah Zborowski. I'm with the firm Norton Rose Fulbright in Toronto. So one of the exceptions to the prohibition on promotion of cannabis is for educational works. Section 16 of the Act creates a number of carve-outs where the government has said these activities are not considered to be promotional, one of which is education. The key there is that the educational piece be developed without consideration. So the person developing the piece cannot have received either direct or indirect consideration in any form for the production or the producing of the educational piece. One other element or piece of wiggle room, as I call it, is around informational promotion. So the Act provides that a licensed producer can informationally promote its product, which is defined in the Act as essentially providing information about the product and its unique characteristics.
Educational element aside, when speaking or dealing with cannabis, the age of your audience matters a lot. So, the general rule for marketing is above whatever the age of consumption is. But if it's purely educational, it depends.
The educational element in and of itself won't allow you to promote the product. Promotion's defined in the federal legislation. And as long as you're promoting, which essentially means to make a representation about that product for the purpose of trying to sell it, there's certain requirements that have to be met. So just by slipping in an educational component to something that would otherwise be a promotion isn't going to get you around the requirements. But that said, something that was strictly or pretty much strictly educational would probably be permitted.
The cannabis community like to talk about how strains are good for this and that. I don't think that's supportable, but absolutely it does. The Act specifically permits you to educational work is permitted if there's no consideration.
There are certain boundaries within which you have to play if you're going to informationally promote your product. Among other things, it's permitted in a communication that's addressed to someone who's 18 years or older and you address it to them by name. It's permitted in an area where young persons are not allowed to be by law, so for example, inside a bar. And it's also permitted by way of telecommunication if the person providing the promotion has taken reasonable steps to ensure that it won't be accessed by a young person. So for example, on an age-gated website.